Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Nkosi yami, it was a really bad weather kula malanga lesuka ko because there was heavy rain and wind. Look, Eastern Cape la bemthatha imoshakale ngendlela lesimanga, so tindlu nje siyatibona tinkulu emandini. Some people bebeme kuma-roof waiting to be rescued because bekukubi ngendlela lesimanga. So there's this other guy loqopha emlando lohambe wayosita umntwana lobekastakile endlini legcwele mandi, and people said ukuthi man, i-history iyati-repeat-a because siyarike ukuthi lokho kuke kwenteka years back la kwabakhona nema-floods legqina kwenta ukuthi abantu bahlale kuma-roof ba-rescuishe i-helicopter. So people are just saying ukuthi we pray for Mthatha ukuthi inkosi yami abantu bakhona babe-safe because ave kumoshakele ngidlula nje tindzawo letiningi ngendlela lesimanga. So lena ngiso simo lebesilapha eMthatha, siyabona tindlu tiyancwila lapha emandini, letinye tindlu setisele angema-roof kuphela. Lokwente abantu bakuleyanza ukuthi bagqine sebemetulu kuma-roof because ayisekho indzawo labangabhaqa kuyo, umandi sagcwele everywhere. So ma-pictures akhona nje asabelele laphana etinkundleni tokuchumana. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out.